everyone, it's me Brittany, aka 布兰妮要怎样？今天我想要跟你说大甲妈祖的事情。And honestly, it's been one of my favorite things that I've done in Taiwan. So first of all, let's get to know Mazu, aka the goddess of the sea. Mazu was born in Meizhou, Fujian, and when she was born, she was thought to have magical powers. She didn't even cry when she was born. Because she lived near the sea, she would often help predict the weather. She would protect people through miraculous interventions. She would heal the sick. She would avert disasters, and she would even make it rain during a drought. I am so in love with this. I love that she's a woman, and she is so loved, honored, and treasured. Hashtag girl power. Now, the Mazu celebration dates are decided by Huabuo, which is the method that the high priest will do on the first day of Lantern Festival. He will throw these magical things and he will check to see, okay, is this the day that Mazu wants us to celebrate, wants us to begin? It's basically a huge birthday celebration to honor Mazu. Now, before the pilgrimage begins, a special ceremony called Jiao Gao is held at Zhenlangong. Now, when the palanquin is ready to move, you'll hear musical instruments playing, firecrackers, and tons of beautiful fireworks overhead. Everybody will begin walking to follow Mazu. The pilgrimage takes 9 days and 8 nights. It leaves from Zhenlangong. It's round trip, and they go all the way around to make it back. You will often see people kneeling down on the ground. They hope that Mazu can pass over them. In the past, this was a way for them to say thank you, 谢谢 Mazu, for all of their blessings and wishes that came true. Now, from what I've heard, it's changed a little bit. As far as now, a lot of people will do that in hopes that they will be blessed, they will become luckier than they were before. As temples are waiting for Mazu to come by, you'll see a big stage where you'll see dancers and other types of performances. These are meant to help entertain the people walking and also to entertain the gods. You'll also notice that there's tons of free food, tons of free drinks, all for the people who are walking and who are celebrating Mazu. Everybody is happy, everybody is hopeful, everybody is sharing. One really cool thing that I witnessed was another temple brought their god to meet Mazu. They had a very special dance, they had a little performance, and it was just very interesting, very touching. Many temples will also do their best to keep Mazu at their temple for as long as they can. They believe this will help to bless, bring more luck, and they just want to be near Mazu as long as they can. Now, I didn't participate all week, but I did get to start at Zhenlangong and watch Mazu leave. I got to walk with her for a little bit, and then I woke up really early in the morning on that Saturday to go meet her again at Yan Shen-shen's the Laojia, which was also very exciting. It was amazing to see everybody, even if they were a little tired, maybe they didn't sleep the night before, but they all came together in honor of Mazu. Sunday, I woke up at 3 a.m. to meet her again in Huatan and walked with her a little bit as well. For me, I find 大甲妈祖很感动，因为 People of all walks of life are coming together. You'll see people who are rich, people who are poor, people who are young, old, healthy, sick, all coming together in the name of Matsu. Nobody is rushed. Nobody is trying to get more than they need. Everyone is working together, smiling, kindness all around, and you truly can feel the love of Matsu. It was especially touching for me to see all of the people walking. Now, people will walk the whole way. 9 days, 8 nights, they will do the entire walk. Why are they doing this? They are making a wish. They're asking Matsu to grant their blessing. Maybe they have something heavy on their hearts. And for me, it was truly beautiful. Like I mentioned before, people from all different kinds of backgrounds, all different places, were coming together with the same goal: to celebrate Matsu, as well as to ask for more blessing, more wishes, more luck, more hope. You'll often see people passing out free drinks and free food to all those who are walking, and also shouting "Jayo, Jayo," which I absolutely love. Although there's tons and tons and tons of people, it is truly the safest place. Everybody is working together, helping others. Even I saw people who were kneeling down and who were having trouble standing right back up, and people were rushing to help lift them up. The beauty of her love touches all who participate. I could feel her spirit through my interactions with those I met, those I talked to, and those I walked with. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Bye bye. 再见.